There's two things all chefs know. Fridge space is prime real estate, and condiments are non-negotiable. XO sauce is this wonderful condiment that's made out of dried shellfish. You rehydrate the dried shrimp and dried scallops, and then once they come back to life, like evanescence, you pulse them down, and then of course, ham. We're gonna use dried shrimp only instead of dried shrimp and scallops, just because scallops, a little harder to get. Black Magic, our Cajun blackening blend, it literally goes good on everything. So, cooking process. We're gonna rehydrate your dried shrimp in boiling hot water and a little Shaoxing cooking wine. Set that to the side for 30 minutes to an hour. Drain it, pulse it in a food processor until it's crumbly like a coarse mealy sand. We'll set that aside. Dice up a bunch of shallots, garlic, some chilies. Then you would take something like country ham or tasso ham, just pan sear that off, chop it up real good. Slow fry that ground shrimp. You don't want to just dump all of it in there after the oil comes up to temp. If you do that, you're gonna have a bad time. You're gonna fry the shallots, fry the garlic, fry the peppers. Take some of that leftover poaching liquid and then add a little chicken stock to that, some brown sugar. Cook all that down. Add that Black Magic and it's magic. Some condiments might have a couple extra steps, but the end is so worth it. You can put it in pasta, like a nice red sauce, add a little XO to that, toss in your pasta, boom. You have this umami-rich, tomato-laden pasta. There's all kinds of things to put it on. The world is your oyster. In this case, the world is your shrimp. Black Magic XO sauce. It's worth taking the time to make, and it's worth keeping.